Hey guys, welcome back to Curls and Inspiration. My name is CURLYSU91, and if this is your first time, welcome. I hope you find something on my channel that will be helpful in your hair journey, and I hope you consider to subscribe. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a twist and go. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck is a twist and go? So, a twist and go is really a twist out with a wash and go. And I did a braid and go. I did a braid and go in my previous video, so I'm going to link that somewhere up here. And I'll link it down in the description. And then braid and go is basically the same thing. A braid out with a wash and go. And you're probably like what's the point of doing a braid out or a twist out and a wash and go? Well, when I did the braid out, I felt like I had less shrinkage than with like just a normal wash and go, so I thought it was worth it. So you can go ahead, give it a try and see if you think it's worth it, but I thought it was worth it. So I decided I'm gonna try a twist and go to see if I get like a lot more definition than the braid out, and see how the shrinkage looks with a twist and go. So we're gonna try that out. And today I'm using products by Opulent Hair Essentials, and I'll be using the leave-in. I'm using the leave-in conditioner, the dew leave-in conditioner, and their groovy hair smoothie styling cream. Okay, and I love these products. I did a wash and go in them like probably a year ago, so I'll link that down here and somewhere up here too, so that you can watch that if you wanted to. But their products are so moisturizing, and I'm practically out of the dew, so I gotta go get more. Okay, all right, let's just get into the tutorial. The first thing we're gonna do is to put in the leave-in. Okay, so what I loved about the braid and go was that my hair, I didn't have all that shrinkage like with a normal wash and go. So I figured maybe trying to twist and go, I will also get that, but get those a nicer set of like definition at the roots. So we'll see how this turns out. So in this wash and go, I'm not going to be using any gel. I'm just going to be using these products, and we'll see how the hairstyle holds up. Okay, so I'm gonna get this all through my hair and then I'll be right back. Now I'm going to add the groovy hair smoothie styling cream. Okay, so I have applied the groovy hair smoothie, and I wanted to give y'all a tip today. So if my hair is more 4B, 4A, maybe a little bit of 3C, so if your hair is like 4C, I would probably suggest you use a gel after your styling cream, whatever styling cream or product that you're using. I'd suggest you probably use a gel like you would in a normal wash and go, but I'm not using a gel. Okay, all right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate one section, right? I'm gonna separate that section into a smaller section and pin the rest up, right? And my hair is completely moisturized. I'm gonna comb through to make sure everything is untangled, which it is. And here's what I'm going to do. Since this is a twist out, I'm going to go ahead and twist this. Now, here's another tip. If you want the twist to last, you either braid the roots or you use an elastic band. Now, I'm going to use an elastic band at my roots to make sure that they are snatched and they don't get puffy, because twists tend to unravel and not be as tight, especially when they're bigger twists. So I'm just gonna do that to make sure that my roots stay nice and secure. Comb through that again, make sure it's good, and then I'm just gonna simply twist. Okay. Great. And I'm only going to go 2/3 down. So I'm about 2/3 down, and then I'm gonna take another elastic band, and I'm going to secure the end of that twist. Okay. And then I'm just gonna comb through the ends, make sure everything is detangled at the ends. And that's what it looks like. Okay. And I'm gonna just do this all around my head, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm done, and I'm just going to allow my hair to dry, and then I'll be back. So this is what it looks like right now. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and everything is dried. All right, so I'm just gonna put some of this away so I can deal with them one at a time. And then I'm gonna just snap this rubber band and do the same for the one at the roots. And you can use the scissors if you want, but okay, and then unravel. And then when I unravel, I'm just gonna start separating. Okay, and I'm gonna do this for every small section, and then I'll be back to show you the final results. Okay, so here's a tip to help minimize frizz. Instead of separating your hair from the top, it's a good idea to separate from the bottom like this, where the wash and go is, because that will help to minimize some of that frizz that will naturally be there from the wash and go part. Y'all, look at this. Like, for real though, like, it's big, it's like bold, it's me. Like, I'm just a little bit of makeup, a little bit of I decided to go with a side part instead. I don't know, I can't get used to these middle part things, but yes, y'all, look at it. So one thing that I wanted to say, the side here is a little bit more frizzy than this side. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I can definitely tell that this side here is a little more frizzy than this side. And that's because, like, the tip that I gave you, I recognized that when I got to the back portion of my hair, and I was like, oops, I should have done it from the bottom, and I didn't. So just remember to separate from the bottom, and you will lessen the amount of frizz. But I love it. Like, my hair looks good. And there's another thing, like, I think if I went with smaller twists, it would have looked more natural. But you can see, let's go down. But as you can see, like, the roots, you can see that it's, the curl pattern is a little different from the ends. So I would say another tip is maybe do your twist a little smaller to fit your curl pattern. If you have a bigger curl pattern, bigger twist. If you have a smaller curl pattern, and smaller twist. And I guess that would be the same thing for the braid out. But I am so, tell me what y'all think about this twist and go. I think I'm here for it. I love it. I think it's gorgeous, and my hair looks big and fluffy, and I don't mind the frizz. It looks so good, like so good. I love it. Just tell me what you think down below. But that's all the tips I have for you. I really love this, and my hair is stretched. Like, I'll probably do a video showing you how my hair looks when it's not stretched, so you can probably see how different it is in this video. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I will see you in the next one.